Ang Kolehiyo ng Malalayang Sining at Komunikasyon ay nagbukas na ng mga short-term courses na bukas para sa lahat.
Would always like to have certificate or creative courses, meaning these are short-term courses where takers can receive certificates at the end of the program. It could be a 1-month program or 2-week program or 6 months na programa. So basically, that's the idea of creative or certificate courses. Now, these courses are specially made for those who would like to enhance their skills in certain fields, like one in photography, but it's in food, so it's called photography, local capacity building and good governance. We also have English courses, Filipino courses. So it's basically representation of the 5 departments of the college. So each department has its own program to offer. So ang goal nito ay yun nga, to enhance the skills of those who are already in the field, like professionals. Although students can also take the program.
Ayon sa aking nakapanayam na estudyante, ukol sa bagong programang ito,
Maganda siya kasi mabibigyan ng oportunidad yung mga mahirap na tao na makakuha ng course na kahit 2 years lang. Kasi, di ba, kahit yung mga nakakuha lang ng 4 years, yung mga may kaya lang na tao. So, kung magkakaroon ng ganong courses dito sa CLE, syempre, parang malaking bagay na yun para sa mahihirap na tao.
sa mga bagong programang ito, inaasahan na marami ang makakakuha ng oportunidad na makapagtapos kahit sa hindi 4 na taong pag-aaral sa nais nilang kurso. Ito po si Bea Fel Herrera, nag-uulat para sa Green FM News.